How to find your plat. In this video, we will walk you through these steps on how to find your plat, a formal record on file with the county for your property. On the new tab, type in the search box, Cobb County Superior Court Clerk. Click on the link for the Superior Court Clerk. Click on the Search Records button. Click on the Search Real Estate Records link. Then click on the name option at the top. In this field, type in the name of your subdivision. For example, I'm typing in Bellwood. From the Book Type drop-down menu, select Plat Book, then click Search. From the File Date column, locate the entry with the most recent file date. Then go to the first column, click on the middle image icon to view the most recent file. And here's your plat. To download and save your plat, click on the down arrow in the upper right corner. Browse to documents on your desktop. Click New Folder from the top menu bar, then type the name for the new folder. Hit Enter and then click Save to save your file. After saving your file, you may close all windows and browser. Thank you for watching.